Activity started.
5 to 10 seconds off. Let's start with curtsy jump.
Hi everybody, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I'm opening this vlog here with my sunflower. Hello, hi, say hello to everybody. Today we are going to do some workout. I'm going to share to you guys my workout routine, but first please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell below so you get updated on my latest upload. So magpapalit lang ako and we're going to eat breakfast first before we start working out. Let's go! Before we start this video, I really wanted to clarify and take note that I'm not professional about working out. I'm still in a learning process about fitness and healthy lifestyle and such, so don't bash me. I really wanted to help others if you really wanted to start working out and start being active. This is a good workout for you guys. I did it in my first month of working out and it helps me adapt the change that I'm doing on my body. I guarantee that this is beginner friendly and good for starters or newbie just like me before. I already changed on my workout clothes with some sneakers, running shoes, whatever you call them. But today I'm going to share a few tips before we work out. First, don't forget to prepare your body before we work out. I'm not talking about 1 minute stretch here. I'm talking about 5 minutes stretch or more. I really wanted to stretch for 5 minutes or long because it really prepares my body for the workout and for jogging, for walking and everything throughout the day. Yes girl, you'll be sore the next day, but it's bearable if you stretch for 5 minutes or longer than that. So the first thing that I do every morning before I work out, I start with walking and jogging.
Activity started.
Yes, I am using a Pacer app that counts my calories, my steps, the kilometers, what else, the pace. I try to set a goal every day like, oh, today I really wanted to achieve 3,000 steps, or the next day I really wanted to achieve 200 plus calorie burn. I think it will be great if you try to set a goal that you wanted to look forward to and you wanted to achieve that day. My tips for you guys is to use the music that could hype you up, give you more energy.
Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. Sign, I really love you. Wheels in your hands, I guess we need a new plan. There's a motel a mile down the road.
Important note, I did a workout routine playlist. I'm going to put the link up here on the I button and on the description down below. So if you wanted to save that and use that while you are working out every morning or every afternoon, you can also save those videos. I put up all the videos that I am using in this vlog on that playlist. Hi everyone! So I know that you are tired and sweating from the jogging and the walking that we did earlier. Before we start this video, please cool down. So this butt workout is from Chloe Ting. So today we are going to tone our legs and our butt, and this will sweat you really hard and burn more calories.
5 to 10 seconds off. Let's start with curtsy jump.
I'm still tired, I'm still sweating really hard. We bring back Ella here to join with us in our Fitness Martial dance workout. We do 3 dance workout with Fitness Martial. If you want to follow Ella on her channel, please do. What's your channel, Ella?
David Eliza.
So that's her channel, follow her. Let's start with Fitness Martial dance workout and let's work our booty. Booty!
Cause you are the only one. The only one. Cause you are the only one. The only
I have a 3 dances that I put on my workout playlist that you can also use on your first week or your second weeks, or if you really wanted to try my workout playlist, everything is on my playlist and I put 3 dances for you guys. So done with our dance workout with Fitness Martial with Ella, and today we are going to do an indoor walking exercise. This is indoor, so you can do it inside your house and outside. We just did it here so that we have a natural light going, and this is gonna be from Grow with Joe. Grow with Joe is a fitness YouTuber, and I really like her indoor walking exercise. It is a low impact exercise and you can do this if you are a beginner or you wanted to start working out or doing exercise every day. So if you wanna check that out, I'm going to put the link down below and let's do this. This is an important note. If you can't do the exercise, it's okay. Just continue walking. And our goal here is keep our heart rate up so we can burn more calories.
Finally can stand, back then still a game for try land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home.
I really love this workout. I found out about it and it really changed me. It really changed me. It changed me because it's low impact, but yet you burn more calories, sweat you really hard, put your heartbeat up. I highly suggest to stop from here because the next workout is a little bit in the intermediate side. I leveled up my workout. That's why I put up that video from Chloe Ting. It's all about cardio. It's not that hard, but maybe if it's your first time to work out, it's a little bit hard for starters. Just like me before, so I tried to level it up and I level up my workout by doing this cardio. So if you can still catch your breath, if you still have more energy, let's continue. So the last workout that we're going to do is from Chloe Ting. This is a cardio workout. So if you wanna stay with us and keep working out, just keep watching. Don't forget to take a rest. We're not in a marathon. You have to take a rest. Don't push your body too much. If you can't breathe that much, stop. I'm not saying to continue the workout without resting. Just rest and give yourself a break. This is only for beginners. I highly recommend to level up your workout every month or every week. I want you to let your body adapt the changes that you are doing because our body will get shocked. I don't know if that's the right word to use for that. It's okay to have a low energy at your first week. It's fine, but I hope that you can level up your energy every single week so we can burn a lot of calories and fat. I hope this video helps you to start working out. And if you want to see more of fitness and workout videos, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sweating really hard right now. I had to end this video already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below so you get updated on my latest upload. Follow me on Instagram at Rose Banzon. My Facebook page is Rose Banzon. TikTok at Rose Banzon. I also have a blog, www.rosebanzonph.blogspot.com. What else? I don't have anything at all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys on the next vlog. Pangit vlog. Yeah. Sexy ka na, girl.